Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. You are a superhero. You are standing on top of a tall building, dressed in your superhero suit. What does your suit look like? What color is it? Imagine every detail about it. Imagine yourself standing in a power pose, looking out over your town or city. You look strong, healthy, and brave. From nearby, you hear a cat meowing loudly. You look to see a cat stuck way up in a tree, and a young child crying at the bottom of the tree, calling for the furry friend to come down. You fly over in a jiffy and pick up the cat easily and gently carry it to the child. The child hugs the cat tightly and looks at you in amazement. You give the child a wave and a smile, and then you fly on. Zoom up into the clouds and keep your eyes on the ground below. Notice all the different things you might see. You pass over a green space and notice an animal caught in some kind of garbage. What kind of animal do you see? It's struggling to get free. It's all tangled up. You fly to the animal and calm it down with just a simple touch. You feel the animal relax immediately. It trusts you completely. Using your super strength, you snap off the garbage easily, and the animal bounces around in delight now that it's free. You put the garbage in your pocket to throw it away later. You leap back into the air and take back to flying around your town or city. You hear a large crack, and you look down to see a large tree fall onto the road. Nobody is hurt, but it blocks traffic. You see a few good Samaritans get out of their cars to try to move the tree themselves, but they aren't strong enough. You fly down, lift the tree overhead, and move it easily to the side of the road. The people around you smile and cheer and are amazed by your strength. You give them a gentle nod and a little wave and a wink, and you fly back into the sky. While you're in the air, you feel so happy and free. Take a moment now to find a place to land, to look out over your town or city. Stand in such a way that your chin is up, your chest is high, open and proud. Stand in this power pose for a moment and enjoy the strength you feel in your body, in your mind, and in your heart as an incredible superhero. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.